Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of mold prevention with the best Shockwave Mold Killer on the market, Concrobium Mold Control. If you've been battling stubborn mold or mildew in your home, you're going to want to stick around for this. Concrobium Mold Control is not just another cleaning product, it's a powerful solution that tackles mold at its roots. Unlike traditional cleaners that merely mask the problem, Concrobium goes a step further by encapsulating and eliminating mold spores, preventing them from returning. It's safe for use on various surfaces, including tile, wood, and drywall, making it versatile for all areas of your home. One of the standout features of Concrobium is that it requires no scrubbing or rinsing. Simply spray it on the affected area and let it dry. This means you can effortlessly apply it in hard-to-reach spots like behind appliances or in tight corners, without the hassle of extensive cleanup. Mold thrives in moisture, which is why it's essential to act quickly, especially in humid areas like bathrooms and basements. Concrobium not only eliminates existing mold but also leaves behind an invisible barrier that prevents future growth. This makes it a perfect choice for ongoing mold maintenance. What I love about Concrobium is its safety profile. It contains no harmful chemicals or harsh fumes, making it safe for use around kids and pets. You can confidently spray it in frequently used areas without worrying about toxic residues. Concrobium Mold Control is EPA registered, which means it has undergone rigorous testing to ensure its effectiveness. This product is proven to work, giving you peace of mind that you're using a reliable solution for mold problems. Whether you're dealing with a small spot or a larger infestation, Concrobium is effective for both. For those larger areas, consider using a cold fogger, which can cover significant square footage quickly and efficiently. This makes it ideal for basements and attics that might need more extensive treatment. Here's a tip. For the best results, apply Concrobium directly to the moldy surface, ensuring it's saturated. Allow it to dry completely, and you'll notice a significant difference over time. In conclusion, if you're looking for an effective, easy-to-use solution to eliminate mold and prevent its return, Concrobium Mold Control is definitely worth considering. It's not just a quick fix, it's a long-term strategy for a healthier home environment. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more product insights. Stay mold-free, and see you next time.